Teaching computer to primary 1 students is not an easy task. Many of them still cannot read, and most are more familiar using smartphones than desktop computers. So, when they first sit in front of a computer, they struggle to use the mouse and keyboard. Because computer learning is part of our school curriculum, I continue to teach them. But then, another problem appears. They cannot differentiate uppercase and lowercase letters. For example, the keyboard shows the letter L in uppercase, but when I ask them to type lowercase l, many of them get confused and press the I key instead. This situation caught my attention. To help them practice, I tried using some web applications like typing.com or roomrecess.com. Yes, these platforms are useful, but I faced another challenge. I couldn't personalize the exercises to match my students' abilities. And on top of that, the websites are full of ads which distract the children during learning. This is why I decided to develop my own desktop application. This application combines both mouse and keyboard practice into one platform. It can run completely offline, so even schools without internet connections can use it. And most importantly, the exercises are designed specifically to match the abilities of primary 1 students. The design is simple yet engaging. The colors are soft and not hurting the eyes. The text size is large enough so young students can read it more easily. After finishing each practice, students also receive instant feedback so they can learn from their mistakes and celebrate their progress. My main goal is to help my students build their basic computer skills, such as operating the mouse and keyboard confidently. With this app, I hope the learning process will be smoother, more effective, and more enjoyable for both students and teachers. Looking ahead, this application can be developed even further. For example, adding new features such as copy and paste exercises, how to save a document, or how to properly shut down the computer. Step by step, the students will not only learning typing and mousing, but also develop real digital literacy from the very beginning. The novelty of this application lies in 3 key points. First, it is developed specifically for primary 1 students. Second, it can run offline, making it accessible anywhere, even in schools with no internet. And third, it integrates mouse and keyboard practice in one single app, which is rarely found in other platforms. Through this application, I want to make learning computer basic less intimidating, more interactive, and most importantly, more enjoyable for young learners.